Right, today I'm going to teach you how to tune your ukulele using an app called Pano Tuner, and it's P-A-N-O Tuner, T-U-N-E-R. You can get it on Android, you can also get it on an Apple phone. You just look up Pano Tuner and it's free. All right, so as we're tuning our ukulele, it's important to know and remember that as you're tuning, you're just going to do one string at a time. So make sure you only touch that string. And this is a tuned ukulele. G. The next one is C. Oh, I can tune that one a little bit. E. And G. Green is good, right? So now I'm going to show you a ukulele that is not quite tuned so you can see how to do this, all right? So first you strum just one string, top string first. Oh, and I can see that's a little flat. I want it to be with the G that has nothing next to it, not a sharp sign or a flat sign. So I follow this string all the way up to the top, and I see that that's my tuner I need to use. And I'm gently going to twist. And if it gets closer to the middle, I know that I'm going the right direction. If not, I'll switch and go the other direction. So watch. Oh, I'm getting closer. There I go. That's G. The second string, well, it's actually the third string. This is the fourth string. String 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your third string right here, the second from the top, this should be C. Ooh, I'm close. Ready? So I follow that string to the top, and then this is the tuner I'll be using. Pretty good, right? I'm there. C. The next string down is E. Oh, I'm close. So I'm going to go ahead and follow that string all the way up to the top. There we go. And I'm making sure I'm only hitting that string. Uh-oh, so you can see I'm going the wrong way. So I'm going to switch and twist the other way very, very gently. Just a tiny twist. Go. I'm on E. And my last string, I'm also tuning to G. So I know that that string is going to my last one right there. We go. String number 1, G. Let's see. Ooh, it's close. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. All right, I'm green. And you're fully tuned. I recommend tuning once a week. If you think it sounds out of tune, go ahead and tune it again. And again, I want you to download Pano Tuner, P-A-N-O Tuner, T-U-N-E-R. And that's how to tune your child's ukulele. Good luck. You can't download it on your Apple iPad, unfortunately, but you can download it on your phone. Hope you enjoyed this lesson.